Up next, I'm going to show you how to clean and cut a fresh cantaloupe in 3 minutes flat on Cooking Class for the Working Class, Culinary 101. Hey there, I'm Chef John, and I'm a real-life working professional chef. And this is Cooking Class for the Working Class, Culinary 101. Hey everybody, welcome to this edition of Cooking Class for the Working Class, Culinary 101. Today, I'm going to be cleaning cantaloupe melon and getting it ready for the busy work week. And we're going to knock this out in about 3 minutes, so hence the name 3-Minute Melon. Many times as I'm cleaning fruit in the commercial kitchens, people are saying, wow, I didn't realize that's how you clean a cantaloupe. Well, guess what? There is a method, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And without any further ado, let's get this show on the road. Okay, let's get this melon rolling. And first thing I'm going to do is set a little timer. All right, and let's see how long this takes us. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, I have my containers here to put the clean meat in it, is we're going to take and cut off the ends of the melon. It's pretty simple. Cut off each end. All right, and that helps it to stand up. Pretty simple, right? Now, what we're going to do, and I'm using a bread knife here, or any serrated knife will do, or anything, a very, very sharp knife also. But I'm going to go ahead and trim the flesh, and the idea is to clean as little of the flesh with the skin as possible. In other words, we're going to keep all the melon intact that we possibly can. All right, so I'm going to take the knife and I'm going to trim it down and go around the shape of the melon, all the way down. Try this again. Notice how I'm going with the knife all the way around the shape of the melon. Okay, as you can see, leaving very little of the actual meat on the skins, okay? If you hit any bad spots in the melon, just cut that out. It's not a big deal. Okay. All right, and you want to also get all that green membrane off at all costs. All right. Now we got that pretty much trimmed. I'm just going to discard these rinds. You can take these out and put these into a compost if you have one. All right, we're about halfway there. Next thing, again, I'm going to trim some of that green membrane off. And we're going to just take and cut this puppy right in half. Okay. Beautiful. Got our absolutely beautiful cantaloupe looking here. Now I'm just going to take an ordinary tablespoon. Okay, and I'm going to take the seeds out. Nothing fancy again. I'm just kind of, I am kind of trimming a little bit of that membrane out of the cantaloupe, because you want all the stringiness to go away. All right, nice and clean. We're going to set that down flat. We're going to take the other one. Okay, nice and clean. Now here comes the fast part. I got my container right here to put the meat in. I'm going to take that, cut it. It's going to go in our container one more time. I like to keep the seeds off the cutting board. That's going into the cantaloupe bin. And here we've got it. And that took us about 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay, 3 minutes, boom, hit the stop. And that's how you can clean a cantaloupe in about 3 minutes, all right? Okay, so we've got the melon all cleaned up. So what I'm going to do is put my lid on it, my secure lid, which is also airtight. We're going to put this in the refrigerator. This is going to stay good for 3 to 4 days in nice and cold temperature. This particular melon is nice and crispy, but very, very sweet. So it's really good stuff. All right. So here we have it, a 3-minute melon. Don't forget, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also click my subscribe and you'll be able to get some notifications and alerts for upcoming videos. And in the meantime, eat well, be well, and God bless.